gonna be a great conversation around lunch table tomorrow.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
What, you telling the guys about this?
Oh, I told them all about it today.
Yeah?
I told the girls at duties, everybody knows.
Everybody. Well, I'm determined to go to Prime 16 tomorrow night.
You're not paying for trash now.
Yeah. So I'll get to see everybody tomorrow night. But I'll be in my compression garment, so I'm not quite sure how I'll...
You'll have a little YouTube to show them too.
Yeah. They've all been following me anyway.
I'm gonna put this on.
Yeah.
You want to?
Oh.
Whoa! I like it.
Isn't that sexy?
Erica requested black.
I like
Yeah,
it.
it's black.
Let's show them the lace bottoms.
I
Yes.
ordered a black one, see?
Do we
Look, it
have
has a
one
little...
Wow.
So honey, you're gonna see the fat. I filled one jar.
You can use a little alcohol.
Plus.
Try with a little alcohol to get.
We'll get
Too
most
many
of it
burritos,
off.
honey.
We'll get most of it off.
Yeah. No
And
more.
then stir it.
After seeing that,
Got it.
that's done. No more. Wow, that's cool. That meat looks pretty darn good.
Yeah, great.
Okay. So if you wanna,
See you, babe.
I'll be out in a minute.
we'll be out in just a bit.
Wow. Well, when the swelling goes down, that'll get even less, right?
Yes. I'm gonna peel this off of
That's
you. I don't know if you want
amazing.
to.
So, I'm not acting, because everybody's like, you're really awake. I am. I feel good. If anything, I'm like crazy thirsty, but I think it's because of the chicken parm sandwich I ate before of all of this. I guess I don't know, feel a little loopy. Thank you, my dear. We might just put Grey Goose in this.
I'm just trying a little bit of alcohol. The
So my legs are very nummy feeling, like she's washing me down, and it feels like I've had numbing cream. Like when you get a cavity filled and they put Novocaine in your mouth, it just feels numbing like. But the pain was minimal. Needle pricks from the local anesthesia. Otherwise, you just feel him in there. You don't feel anything. I mean, I'm sure I'll be feeling it later tonight or tomorrow morning, but it wasn't that bad. And the results, I know they keep saying, well, you're really swollen, but I already see the results, and the results are in that jar over there, which is pretty gross. So that's a little bit of fluid, blood, and a whole lot of fat. That's a lot of fat. So I've already changed my diet before this, but now I'm changing it even more. Wow, my legs feel different. Like I'm not as jiggly feeling. It could be the numbing stuff, huh?
It might. I can really see a difference actually.
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, you ladies have been looking at my thighs and my butt for quite a bit now.
This is just gonna.
So that'll all go down.
Oh yeah.
'Cause
You
that's
just
all.
had it, so you have to be, and that's hard to kind of have patience to realize that you're going to have to heal from just the trauma of the surgery.
Because he was in there
But
poking
you do.
around.
And they say it's up to 3 months to see the full result.
All right.
You know, with the skin tightening.
So because I want big results, should I not? I'm going to wear that compression garment for 3 weeks, right?
Right. Absolutely.
Okay.
2 to 3 weeks.
I'll err on the side of 3 weeks. Who's it?
Bye.
I was just saying, I think it was
Bye.
saying goodbye. Oh, so I had a question about Neocutis because I have little sutures from where he inserted. So should I put Neocutis on it? Would that help for scarring?
You could actually. It's a great product for scar. I mean, look at if you can see the
Yeah, the
before and
results
after. We
there
have
are
a whole book up
huge.
front that's amazing. It's really
Okay.
yours are very hidden.
So do
But
I wait
still,
until
You
after
have
you
to
take
have
the sutures out?
Yeah,
Take the
we're-
stitches out and then
in a
we'll
week.
talk about it.
7 to 10 days you get your
So
stitches
next
out. but so
Wednesday
figure-
I'm going to come by
Yeah.
and get my stitches out.
And it's a really neat little pen, and you just pump up a little of the cream.
And it goes
put it
dop,
on.
dop, dop.
Yeah, twice a day.
Twice a day to clean dry skin, so the poster says.
When you're home in the shower, you're going to be able to better get. I don't want to vigorously scrub you.
Actually, you've got a lot of that blue off.
The blue is the easiest to come off, but in a nice warm soap, like with a nice warm.
Now, can
soapy
I shower
washcloth.
tomorrow?
Yeah, you could shower tonight if you wanted to. If you feel up to it and you want to feel like.
I don't have to worry about the sutures and
Nope,
infection and
nope,
all that. Now,
nope,
should
and
I
I'm
put
gonna
like
dry you and
anything
put a
on the
little.
sutures?
I'm going to put a little steri strip over it, and then I'm going to put some gauze because it will drain, and then we'll put on your garment. But
Should I put
the steri
Neosporin
strip-
on it when I put new gauze on or anything like that?
Nope, just some gauze for the first couple of days, just in case any of the tumescent drains out.
The
Which
tumescent
is
was
not.
the painkiller.
Yes, the fluid that we put in first. That was our first step. So.
I can't wait to look in the mirror and there's no bump on my butt. Because besides my thighs and my knees.
Alright, I'm gonna get the steri strips going.
Hey,
And
so
gauze.
my birthday's in the middle of November, so for my birthday,
Watch
I
out.
figure out what I'm gonna wear. I think Daryl's taking me to Manhattan for something. Dinner.
Okay.
Maybe we'll all go.
We're gonna all follow
Fun.
Erica.
We'll follow Erica to Manhattan to go to Campagnol.
That sounds like a good time.
Then I can't eat anything fattening.
Okay, let me dry you
Olives and cheese and bread, no way. Not anymore. Be a veggie girl from now on.
It does, it makes you think about it, you know.
Yeah, it does. But it helps like with everything, with like energy and eating right, getting rid of processed foods. I can't wait for you all to see my after pictures since you've been seeing my chunky butt. So I can't exercise for 2 weeks, but I can walk in like a
Just
week.
not vigorously.
Yeah, nothing vigorous.
How really do you define vigorous?
Well,
What
you know.
people's definition of vigorous and what my definition of vigorous
That's true.
is like. It's hard for me to. Okay, it just dawned on me. Vigorous exercise, exercise to me is like walking, running, going to the gym. But then I just had the question like, how long do I have to wait before I can be romantic? Have sex. Okay, I'll just say it. So what is that? That's considered vigorous.
I would think that you would want to ask Dr. Goodkind, but I would think 2 weeks because that might be
Oh my
considered.
God, that's a long
Sorry, Daryl.
time. Sorry, Erica. All right, 2 weeks. Oh, I hadn't asked that question. All
This
right,
is just a little gauze.
2 weeks. My big question is,
Is when can you have sex? No.
yes,
gave you
yes,
crotch
because you
roast,
said
right?
no vigorous activities. So
A week.
a week.
A week,
All right.
you know. This
A
story,
week?
I'll tell you a story.
Now, do you look at a week as 5 business days?
Depends if you think sex is, work or